I used to work in the corporate world in a cubicle with 50 other people in the same room. We were separated maybe by 6 feet. I always felt caged, never felt free. Felt like I couldn't breathe lots of times. But when I eventually got fired, thank you, universe, I found me a new office. So let me show you. It's my new office. Not so new. This is a centuries old sacred place that I've been coming to for years and years to get away from that caged feeling. But now I am here as a volunteer park ranger. So I can honestly say I used to be that caged bird. Now I'm a free bird. So peaceful.